Hey guys, it's Franco. So I got some videos for investing. It's a long time position you buy like a index fund, an ETF, or a common stock that you buy but you keep it for long term for at least 5 to 10 years. That's my mentality because when I buy for an investment, I keep stocks whether the prices of it goes down or up, I keep it. Now, I've been trying day trading for small accounts, and it's really hard. And I'm gonna show you in this video my experiences on it and what I learned about it. I still keep doing it, but I'm happy with $10 to $20 of upside whenever I do trade. I don't trade like big money like the other YouTubers does or some other famous day traders, but this is a start and it takes a lot of work. So watch this video and I'll show you what I did, what mistakes I did. Literally, I got some mistakes too and some winnings that I did. All right, let's do this. Before we start, please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. It will really help me. And comment down below if I missed something or you want to teach me something else. It will be really greatly appreciated, and some other viewers will also learn from it. All right. So, what's the good and the bad of day trading? Remember, I am not an expert on this. This is all my experiences, okay? And I am not a full-time day trader, and my own capital was only $2,000 per start. And yeah, that's it. The good or the advantages of it is you got some extra income. So I'm happy with $10-20 of upside whenever I trade, and I can only day trade 3 times within the day trading week. If I exceed that, I'll be locked out. I cannot do any day trades anymore because my account is less than 25 grand. Okay, what else? I have a list here. So I'm able to increase my capital to buy more expensive stocks for my investment. So I like to buy Apple and keep it like 1 to 10 years or more. And I'm able to do that with the funds that I got from day trading. And then third, even if you lose the value of your stock, for instance, May 28th, midday yesterday, all the stocks plummet. Like for instance, Apple yesterday was up to $323, and now at close to closing, it became 319. You still able to keep that stock, and you don't have to trade it right away. It will go up as long as the stock that you're day trading or trading is stable, a stable company like Apple. Now the bad, there's a lot of bad things. It's very complicated. I mean, I spend a lot of time looking at my monitor. It's hard, and I don't rely on this. It's really like delayed, but I rely on my monitor, and and to their website itself, like Fidelity. Now, the second one, for the bad one, is if you're an emotional person, don't do day trading, because any news that you read or heard, you will make bad decisions. Third one, the risk is high, especially when the market is volatile. I mean, right now I'm filming this at the middle of the pandemic, and man, it's just up and down like this, and for no reason. Fourth one, the losses could be unbearable. You can get greedy and buy a stock, and then dang, and you lose it within minutes. Fifth one, you could be tempted to overtrade for the trading week. Like I said, this is a small account, $2,000 in capital. My limits are, and for you too, if you're starting small, is 3 day trades per week. Now, if you want to exceed that, you need more than 25,000 in your account to do that. And the sixth one, for me, it's not a stable source of income. I mean, like I said, that this is a good source of secondary source, but if you want this to be the primary one, you need a lot of reading, a lot of experience, and a mentor. You can't be successful in this without it. And if you Google it, the success rate of day traders are only like 10%. There's only 10% of people who made it. The other 90% loss. Usually when you see YouTubers saying, oh, I win this, I got this, they don't show how much they lost. That's it. That's it. All right. But I'm going to tell you the stocks that I started with, and hopefully you learn from this. I started with PCG, PG&E in California. It's a utility company and provides electricity at Northern California. So I bought it at $15 per stock, and suddenly it went down, like really went down when the pandemic started. So as you can see, I'm still keeping it, and since it's a utility company, it has a monopoly at least in Northern California. So even if the stock went low, I'm projecting that after a year from now, it's still gonna go back. So I'm keeping this and I'm not selling it. But like you see, I failed on the day trading at this point. Then I ventured to options trading, which is a disaster and a roller coaster of emotions. Maybe because I do not understand a lot, and for me it's like playing blackjack. I win some and lose some, and it's not profitable for me. So I went to day trading again. So I went to Robinhood and started selling and day trading IGT. As you can see, the IGT, I started at May 11th and bought $900 of shares of it at $7.31, and then bought more at $6.25, then sold it at $7.42. Now you can see I buy and sell the same stock, and then again on May 20th I bought it at $8 a piece for $800 and sold it at $855, and then buy it again at $840 and sold it at $862. So I'm playing with one stock, and then I kind of have to diversify a bit because this is volatile and I may lose. So let me go to the other one, which is this one. It's a cruise line, Norwegian cruise line. Let me go to the history. History, it's here. So I bought this at 15.75 for 100 shares, and then I sold it at 16.08. So I got more. Like I said, it's not a lot. It's like 30 bucks, but still, no one's gonna give me 30 bucks while sitting on my chair. And then now I bought 15.60 at 50 shares. And I'm gonna sell that when it increases to 16 again. So that's how I manage it. But I also lost. Like I said earlier, the PGC one, I'm still holding it because I lost too much. If I cannot sell it, just and sell it. So I hope you're learning on this, and whenever you're doing it, you have to make sure the company that you're trading is constantly at a price range that you can afford. And if you lose it, you're not gonna just panic sell it. That's the problem with a lot of day traders, because they panic sell. So again, that's my experiences, and then maybe I can show you something else. Oh, I bought this thing, Carnival too. Let me see. Right here, I bought it at $14.10 and sold it at $15.80. So I almost got over $100 of increase there. Then bought it again at $16.50, and this time I lost. I sold it at $15.30 because, like I said yesterday, at May 20th, I had the stocks suddenly just change and plummet, and I had to take my profits a little bit, or take my capital a little bit. So that's why I sold it. And then I buy it again at 15.55. So I'm projecting that it's gonna go up again. So I buy some, and then I'm gonna hold this. I'm not gonna day trade it today. It's gonna be next week or 2 weeks from now, but at least I bought it at a cheap price. Alright, I hope you like this video, and like I said, comment something if I missed something, and then learn to do the limit orders, the market orders, and the stop loss orders too. That's very, very essential. Click on this link if you were missing some points on it. But like I said, day trading is not for everyone. I think it stresses me out too. And honestly, I'm just doing this because I'm not working and I need some extra income. Alrighty. Have a nice day.